AI agent.
AI agents. Agents.
Agents.
An AI agent.
Agents.
Agents.
Hey there, so I hope you appreciate my little intro. And AI agents can do so much for you. For example, it can check your emails every morning, write up a draft for you, and all you have to do is click send, and then you are done with your emails for the day. But it doesn't stop there. We can also connect our AI agents to our phone via WhatsApp, and then we can start talking to the agent on the go. So for example, we can say, hey, my friend Martin just called and he wants to go to lunch next Wednesday at 12 o'clock. So please go ahead and write up a calendar event for me and send me a reminder 1 hour earlier. And now I just received the notification and the calendar event is here. So I think this works great. It already is managing my emails and my calendar, and it's like a personal assistant. And I'm really excited to show you in this video how this works. So without further ado, let's dive in and see how we can build an AI agent for you. The tool we are going to use in this tutorial is called Base44. You have most likely seen one of their ads here on YouTube. And the best part about Base44, you can start using it for free. Therefore, you will find my partner link down here in the video description. And when you click on it, you will get 25 credits per month for free to talk to your AI agent. And of course, at the same time, you're helping me and my channel so I can make more of these videos for you. So thank you a lot. And I like Base44's new AI agents for a couple of reasons. I think they're more secure. I mean, you probably heard of OpenClaw or Claude Cowork, but I've seen so many people buying like a Mac Mini or like a VPS server in order to set it up, because those agents run on your machine and they can have access to every file and to your browser and can do whatever. Of course, you can limit it, but I still don't feel comfortable letting an AI on my computer. And that's why I like Base44, because here the super agents can be connected via API to certain tools. So you connect your Gmail account, your calendar, your LinkedIn. This is up to you. With every tool, you can decide what kind of access you want to give the AI agent. So yeah, in order to start, just click on the link down below, and then you can click here on Get Your Super Agent. And once you have signed up, you will land here, and we can just give our agent a name, for example, Jack. And now he's telling us, oh, I like the name, who are you? And then you can just click on the microphone icon here, and then you can start talking to your AI agent. Hey Jack, I'm Julian, and I'm a YouTuber. I do software tutorials about, for example, AI agents or how to build your own app, about websites. And I'm 38 years old. So let's send it over. And now the crazy part is Jack has a brain. So you can click here, and here we can see his knowledge about himself. So he's called Jack and he's an AI agent, but Jack even has a soul. So you can edit his soul, which is kind of crazy, but he will also learn something about you, the user. So for example, here he saved Julian, 38 years old, YouTuber focused on software tutorials. And the more you work with Jack now, the more he learns about yourself. And this is very good, because then he can do a better job of completing tasks for you in the future. And let's go back and start automating tasks for us, because this is ultimately the thing we want to do here. So we want to first connect our Gmail account and have Jack answer the emails for us. So therefore, go back to Brain. And then you can see here under integrations, you have different tools available. For example, Salesforce, Slack, Google Calendar, Gmail, or if you're more like the Outlook person, you can even connect your Outlook down here. So I would connect my Gmail account. Therefore, I can just click on connect. And now the best part, you don't need any technical skills. So you don't need to program anything or so. You can just go ahead and connect it here. So just click on the Gmail account you want to connect, click continue, and then you can select the different access rules. So for example, you can enable that he can send emails for you, or you can disable that if you don't feel comfortable with it. Then he can just write up drafts for you. And let's click continue. And then we land back in the conversation here with Jack. And now we can just go ahead and tell Jack what to do. Hey Jack, so it would be really nice if you could check my emails every morning at 7 a.m. and write up a draft for me. And please don't send them, just read the email and answer them how I would answer them normally. And do this for my last email so I can check if the flow is working. And now we just sent this over to Jack. And now Jack is done and he has created a task for himself. So you can go here under tasks And here we can see he has his morning email drafter, and under details you can see what he's doing. So every morning he's checking the emails. I will read all unread emails from Julian's Gmail and draft a reply. So this is really great. If you want to change something about it, you can just talk to Jack, or you can disable the task, or you can even archive or delete the task if you don't want to have it anymore. But now let's see if he did the task correctly. So I told him to do one draft for my latest email. So let's go to Gmail and refresh. And now we can see he wrote a draft for us. So let's go in and check what he did. So this was a collaboration email, and Daniel Carter wanted to collaborate with me on my channel. And he just said, "Hey Daniel, thanks for reaching out and following my channel. Appreciate it. I've had a look at NovaFlow and it does look interesting," and so on. And now I would just need to go ahead and click send, because I don't need to do anything anymore. Jack has my email account fully managed, and then I can just click send and I'm done with that. So I like this a lot already. And let's go back to Jack here, and now we can do even more. I want to connect my calendar now, so therefore I can just go on Brain, then on integrations, and then on Google Calendar, and here I can just connect the calendar. And again, I just select my account, my Google account, click continue, and now it is successfully connected. So this is great. And next I want to connect my AI agent to my smartphone, and I can do this with WhatsApp or with Telegram. So therefore I can just click on WhatsApp and open WhatsApp, and now we can just click continue WhatsApp on the web. And in here, he will give you an activation code, and we can just send it. And now our AI agent will get activated. He will receive this code, and then we can check it. 1 second. And he just replied, "Hey Julian, we're setting up this Gmail account for you, and this is perfect." And now I want to show you the amazing thing. So we have our phone here, and it's connected to our AI agent. And just imagine I got a call now from a friend, and he wants to go to lunch. And to be sure that I don't forget it, I can just talk to Jack and say, "Hey Jack, my friend Martin just called, and he wants to go to lunch with me next Tuesday at 1 p.m. And please go ahead and write up a calendar event for me." Then I can just send the voicemail to Jack, and he's transcribing it and understanding it. And let's see if he now creates a calendar event for us. And here it is, done. Lunch with Martin is in your calendar. I think this is perfect. So let's see if he did this, and let's check my calendar. So this is this week. So next week, Tuesday, there should be something. So let's refresh it. And there it is, lunch with Martin at 1 p.m. So yeah, I have a personal assistant now. He lives on my phone. I really like that. And if he would knew Martin, or if he would have access to my contact book, he can also just forward the event to Martin. So as said, you will teach him more and more stuff about yourself, and he will save this in his knowledge, in his brain, and then he can do more and more tasks for you. And last but not least, I want to show you one really cool thing which I have done for myself, for my content creation, because I really don't like writing up LinkedIn posts, and therefore I just connected LinkedIn to Jack, and I also connected my Wix website with Jack, and he writes up blog posts for me now. So every time a new video comes out, for example, this is my German channel, and this video came out last Monday, and he went ahead, pulled the video transcript, and based on this transcript, he wrote up a LinkedIn post for me. So you can see it here. I'm sorry, it's in German, but you get the idea. So it just says a new tutorial is out, and he linked a YouTube video here. Then he wrote a couple of lines about it, and then he put in some hashtags, and people have seen it, liked it. So this is perfect. Now I don't need to care about LinkedIn anymore. And he did the exact same thing with my blog. So this is the video. He pulled the transcript, and based on the transcript, he wrote up an entire blog post for me, even with an FAQ section, and it's SEO optimized so Google can find it. And here he also put in the partner link for me. So I don't need to care about LinkedIn anymore, and I don't really need to care about my blog anymore. I can just focus on YouTube, and he can do this for me now. And I love this a lot because this saves me so much time during the week. And you would now go ahead and do the same. Connect the tools you're using, for example, HubSpot or even TikTok. And you can even connect more tools via API. So you can just talk to Jack, whatever tools you're working with, and then you can connect it. Yeah, I would highly invite you to try it out. As said, you will find the link down below this video here. It's a partner link and you will get 25 credits per month for free. I think this is great. If you like the video, also give it a thumbs up and we see us in the next video. Maybe you want to learn how to build your own app with Base44, because Base44 can also do that. And you will learn this in this video and maybe I see you there. Thank you for listening. Bye.